Hello, good morning, students. This is CR Sir, Mathematics. Today I am going to discuss the permutation and combinations mains 2020 questions. I am going to discuss that 4 easy questions. Now, see the first question. The number of 5-digit numbers which can be formed without repeating any digit, while 10th place of all of the numbers must be 2 is 336 into k. Find the value of k. So this is the first question, very easy question. But see the conditions what they are good. So we want to form the 5-digit number by using the any digit. So what are the digits here? We know that 0 to 9. There are 10 digits. But we want to form that 5-digit number. So that means it is occupied at 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But in tens place, 2 is fixed. Now remaining places we want to fill that remaining numbers without repetition. Now see here, 10,000 place here, 0 and 2 cannot be filled. 0 and 2 cannot be filled because if you are filled 0, you will get 4-digit number and 2 is already filled. Out of 0 to 9, totally 10 numbers are there. Out of 10, remove 2, we get 8. So in 10,000s place, there are 8 chances. Now go to the thousands place. Here already we are filled 2. In 10,000 place is 1 number. Totally 2 digits we are filled out of 10. Remaining how many are there? 8. So thousands place also filled. So finally, tens place, thousands place, 10,000s place. 3 places we are filled. Out of 10, 3 numbers can subtract remaining 7 can be filled in hundreds place. It is possible 7 ways. But unit place, observe that. So in tens place 2 is fixed. It is possible to fill only one way. So out of 10 digits, we are filled 4 digits, remaining only 6 digits. These can be filled in unit places. There are six chances now. So number of 5-digit numbers, 5-digit numbers, that is equal to each digit contain in tens place is 2. Now 8 into 7 into 6. But already given 5-digit number, the total number of 5-digit numbers 336 into k. Now here 8 8s are 64 and 7 6 are 42. Here observe that calculation 42 8s are 42 8s are 336, 8 8s are 64. So the k value is 8. So this is a very easy question. So we got the k value is 8. So which option is correct? First option is correct. Now I am going to second question. Say this is combination related problem. In a bag, there are 5 red balls, 3 white balls, and 4 black balls. 4 balls are drawn from the bag. Find the number of ways in which at most 3 red balls are selected. The condition is on red balls. So first take the red balls. How many balls are there? Red. There are 5. Okay. Now white and black. White plus black. Total how many balls are there? Because the condition is on red color balls. Now white and black, there is no condition. Add them, totally 7 are there. Now we want to form that number of ways. In each group, each way, we want to select how many balls? 4 balls. 4 balls are drawn. So each draw, we want to select 4. Now, here what they are given, at most 3 red balls. At most means maximum 3. So that meaning is we can select 0 red, 1 red ball, 2 red balls, 3 red balls. But total balls we want 4. So white and black take 4. 0 plus 4, 4. Next, 3 balls in second case. 1 plus 3, 4. Third case, 2 balls. Fourth case, 1 ball. These are the 4 different cases. In first case, I am going to select 0 red balls. Remaining is either white or black, because white, black, they didn't give any condition. The condition is on only red color. So here out of 7 can be select 4 balls. Next, second case, out of 5 can be select 1. Here out of 7 can be select 3. This is the second case. In third case, observe that out of 5 can be selected 2. Out of 7 can be selected. In third case, out of 5 can be selected 3. Out of 7 can be select 1. Now do the calculation. In first case, 5C0 into 7C4. Calculate that, you will get 35. In second case, 5C1 into 7C3. Calculate this, you will get 175 is. 5C2 into 7C2 means, that is 210. 5C3 into 7C1 means we get 70 ways. Now this total add, we get 490 ways. So required number of ways is 490. This is the answer. So which option is correct? Third option is correct. Students, are you understood now? These are the 2 easy problems. Okay. Still now, you are not subscribed my channel. Please subscribe the channel, like the channel and share to your friends. You will get first notification whenever I will upload the video. Thank you.